Hello all you boys and girls, it's Michael again from Miniature Painting. This is the last part of the Monolith video build, and so I will conclude this video series. If you like this new theme setup as what I am doing right now, recording my ugly face before the video even starts, let me know in the comments if I should continue like this or if I just should hide my face again and show these things called hands to paint my videos and do my unboxings, my reviews and everything. If not, thank you for watching. Hope there is a subscribe in it for you, and a like, share and comment. Any activity on the page would be highly appreciated. So thank you for watching. Get on the video. So here we go with the painting of the monolith. Finally the base is going to be painted. Bone white will be the first dry brush, and with that wobbly brush I showed you last time, we will be painting the first couple of layers. So that's what you see here. The cool thing about these brushes is that you can also use them for stippling, and stippling gets you deeper into the recesses than, oops, there you go. That's the first skull. The first victim fell to the brush of doom. So let's glue that one first in. It should be there indeed. And now with a little drop of glue, bloop, there you go, we can continue painting. And the cool thing is I got a replacement brush, and from Army Painter, those guys are amazing in customer service, so I could abuse this brush a little bit more to base my review on. So I am just stippling and brushing over the just glued stuff. We are going for Agrax Earthshade to get a little bit tone in those skull or bone white colors. Now what I did here is, you can't really see it really good in the video, but what I did here is in the bottom I used a little bit more Agrax Earthshade to simulate the drying of the bones more on the top. So here we go with bone white again, to give now a dry brush instead of a stippling. And like I told you before, just a second ago, I will be using more bone white in the top towards the monolith to simulate the light which is coming off the sun, so the bleaching of the bone. Now to tone it even more, we go with those two paints. I forgot what they were, but I believe it was off-white and bone white. I am looking at a really small screen here when I'm narrating, guys, so don't push me down on that one. So also more keep on the middle of the base to keep the sides darker. Now there you go. There is the off-white, and no, that's dead white. We are going with dead white, and just add some to your previous mixture to keep on painting. And as simple as SB, that is about what is needed. Now just some black for the bases, for the base rim, and then you're done, and then you have a really insanely cool model. About 200 skulls further, but this looks insane. The quality, I do have to admit, is also a little bit based on the brush. That helped me a lot, so stay tuned for that review. Thank you for watching, hope to see you soon. May the dice be forever in your favor, and look at that. Bye bye. Those are the thumbs of doom. Bye bye.